Alright, we have made it to Port Everglades, Fort Lauderdale. Yay! Went on our cruise. Join us as we explore the Majesty of the Seas and Costa Maya, Mexico, and Cozumel, Mexico. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Are you excited, Lincoln?
I'm excited.
Can't wait! This is stateroom 7040 on the Majesty of the Seas. Alright. So we come in, got our big bed, have an ocean view. See? Ocean view. We actually have a deck around us. So, got a TV, got a little coffee table, vanity, phone, hair dryer. And then we have our closet, which, oops, you gotta watch out, it pinches you. There's our closet. We got a lot of hanging space, a safe, some life jackets, and some shelving. Alright, and then in the bathroom, pretty standard bathroom. Got the toilet, the vanity, the shower, the shower curtain. When boarding this ship on embarkation day, make sure if you're going to have the buffet, you come to the back of the boat, to the aft. Check out the Windjammer buffet. Right there it is. It's not as crowded and there's tons of food.
Teeth bleeding is worth it.
I was wrong. Windjammers is actually at the front of the ship. Best spot to check out. Embarkation day. Quick and fast. Or fast food. Really good food. We had good schnitzel. Love some schnitzel.
It's the yumminess.
Everybody takes their phone out,
What?
takes a picture.
Here, you can even show hers, which is amazing.
Everyone in the house, can we make some noise?
Royal chocolate
I
cake.
can't hear you. Can you do one more time?
Today we boarded the ship around, what,
About 2:30.
2:30 or so. Got on board, ate us some pizza, explored the ship, and later on we came back and she took a nap. We just chilled out, unpacked. Then we went to dinner, met a wonderful lady from Jamaica who actually lives in the Bahamas. Didn't really vlog lunch, or sorry, dinner. But we did end up going to a comedy show and got to hear this crazy funny guy who later on, after the show, we got to meet.
At Ben and Jerry's.
At Ben and Jerry's. Then we went and explored some more of the ship, and the weather got really crappy. It's lightning, raining. So we decided to, keep on exploring the ship, the indoor parts. Went and did some shopping. Then we came back to the room, showered, and now it's time for bed. We're going to take an early night just because we're tired from traveling. Alright.